Hey techies, today I'm revealing 5 AI tools from 2025 that feel like magic. You'll want every one of these in your digital toolbox. At number 5, we have Adobe Firefly 2.5. Type your design idea, boom, stunning images ready. Design like a pro even if you can't draw a stick figure. At number 4, we have Devin, the AI dev that writes, debugs, and deploys code. Tell it what you want, and it builds full apps. Your new coding buddy just arrived. At number 3, we have ElevenLabs Voice AI. Clone voices, narrate scripts, sound pro in seconds. It's like having a voiceover artist in your pocket. At number 2, we have ChatGPT 4.0. It sees, hears, talks, and thinks. Explain memes, solve math, chat like a human. It's your personal AI assistant, now with eyes and ears. At number 1, we have Runway Gen-3. Type a scene, get a movie. AI turns text into full on videos. No camera, no crew, just imagination and Gen 3 magic. That's your 5 magic AI tools. Which one blew your mind? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more decoded tech every week. Catch you in the next one.